It's warm. Just normal. Like, yeah, this is really impressive. Hi, I'm Teddy, and thank you for stopping by. I needed a CFexpress Type B card to record on my Blackmagic Pyxis 6K. Anything dealing with memory is really expensive. So I decided to buy the pieces to put together my own card. So the enclosure I decided to go with is the JEYI. JEYI, I got this on AliExpress for probably Yonsen, so about $40. Yeah, so I went with this, and the card is all metal, so this will be good for heat dissipation. And it comes with 6 screws in the back, and also the 2 to do the procedure. I needed an NVMe to put inside the enclosure, so I decided to go with the Fanxiang. You need the 2230 card to fit inside the enclosure. It also comes with a tool. You have your screwdriver and your NVMe. I've already put the card together. I've already used it, but I wanted to do this and show you how simple it is to put together. So this is the card, and it comes with a sticker, and it has a lot of thermal paste on it. So I took it off and put it back on, but I'm not going to take it off again. These screws are extremely tiny. So be very careful. If you drop this on a wood floor, you'll probably be okay. But if you drop this on my rug like I have, and it goes in the creases, you'll probably never find them. There's only one way to put this together, so you can't mess it up. So just, it's unbelievable, the prices of these cards. Just, so doing your own, I highly recommend it. Okay, so you put these two together. Like that. You grab your piece. You put this in here. It's a lot of clicking, so. So I always roll back, and then once it clicks, I go in with it. And then okay. That's it. So that's the card. It's in. And it's secure and simple. Now, time to see if it slides in smoothly. Sometimes they don't. It doesn't go in smoothly. It doesn't come out. You got to struggle to get it in and out. So let's see. And let's see. That's the click. Let's turn it on. And it's noticed, it recognized my card, and I recorded something on here before. But what I'm going to do is erase the card. So I'll go here, and then go to here, go to Format, Effect, Format, and then Format. Hold it down for 3 seconds, 2, 3. Formatting. Let's see. Formatting complete. Hit OK. Voila. We are done. Okay, here we go. So it's recording. If you can see it on my monitor, I'm not sure if you can see it. I got the 500 gigabyte card because I usually only do 500 gigabyte. I like to have different cards and not have everything on one card. I'll go up to a terabyte, and that's what's using SSD. So I'll keep the same procedure that I usually keep, 500 to 1,000 terabyte cards. And if this works out, I'll get the same brand and build me up like 10 cards, so they'll have them when I need them. So far it's working smoothly. As I said, I bought the Blackmagic Pyxis, and when I shoot run and gun, I want to use CFexpress Type B cards. They are really, really, really expensive. This is not on the, this may be on the Blackmagic list. I'm not sure. Fanxiang may or may not be, but it's neither here nor there. If it works for me, I will use it. This is not a recommendation. This is what works for me. I'll leave links below. They're not affiliated, but if you'd like to try it out, hey, why not? If you can save some dollars and get a quality card, why not? So where are we now? We're at 2 minutes so far. And if you've made an enclosure and it's working for you, please leave a link below. I'll like to check it out, what you decided to go with, and if it either negative or positive, just feedback would be great. Have you ever used Fanxiang? If you have, let me know. So I don't know. I did this with my computer. I did a build 2 years ago, and I used it for one of my drives in my build, and no problems. That's why I decided to go with this one. Again, if you get this one, you could get the 2230 that'll fit inside the enclosure. So yeah, the 2230, it was on sale, so I got it for like $100, maybe $110, and the enclosure was about $40. So big savings there. And if this works out, I know it does because I've been using it, and hopefully it just continues to operate as I hope it would. I also needed a card reader, and I decided to go with this Japanese brand, Nextorage. Yeah. Supposedly these guys are ex-Sony employees that they used to work in the memory card division, and they decided to do their own cards. So, and they also do card readers. This is 20 gigabyte speeds, 3.2 Gen 2 times 2. So I have a Windows system, and this would be perfect. So I actually tried this out. Works just as it says it does. So if you're looking for a card reader that is not too expensive, that doesn't break the bank, this is one that does that. It comes with the enclosure and USB-C to USB-C. I will do some testing, and I might add the testing to the video so you can check it out and let me know what you think. See, I don't do recommendations, but this is what I use. And I'll leave a link below on this one too. I got it from Amazon Japan. So I'm sure they have it in Amazon US or Amazon's everywhere. So I'm going to share my build. This is the Pyxis build, and all the components that I use, the parts that I use to make my build. It's not completely done, but I'm happy with it so far. The monitor, it's a lifesaver. If you have a Pyxis, get the monitor, because you can control everything with the monitor. And I love that there's two monitors. I want NATO rail. I'm going to put a NATO rail at the bottom and get a NATO rail clamp. I have the tilted cage, so there's NATO rails all around it, so I can just move it around, quickly release it and move it around as I have low shots, high shots, eye level shots. It'd be great. So if you know any monitor arms that are flexible where you can just push it in and drop it in my bag, that'd be great. This is okay. I just loosen it, put it in, tighten it, but I don't want this touching my screen, so this might be a problem with my screen in my bag, and so I have to think about that. I'm looking at finding something that will swivel and not damage the screen. So if you have something, let me know. 7 minutes. So I've been talking for a while. Jesus. Okay. I wanted to see. I don't think I can. Can I get into the menu? Yeah. So no, you can't change it once you're in. So let's go back out. Once you're recording, that's it. And then you have to stop it. As I said, I did this before. I know it works. Just wanted to share with you. So I want to stick around for 10 minutes. Okay, so we have a minute left. Yeah, just a minute left. So this is my new channel. And I'll talk about why I started a second channel. I'm a DP based in Japan now and building my company. I've been living here, as I said, for 10 years and kind of liking it. So we got 2 minutes. It's 10. 10 minutes. We can go 20, we can go 30. And I just want to pull it out to see how warm or hot it got with the 10 minutes. 10 minutes and 57, 58, 59. That's 11 minutes. Stop there. So we are done. So that is it. It's very simple. You need two pieces. You need an enclosure and you need the NVMe. There's thermal paste. I do have thermal paste. If that'll be the third component. If you wanted to put thermal paste for better heat dissipation, I say go for it. I didn't because mine came with thermal paste on one side. I may try it out later after I get a new card. Here we go. I don't like these rubber doors on the Pyxis. That's the only thing I don't like. So it's warm. Just normal. Like, yeah, this is really impressive. Wow, it's warm, but that's, I mean, like, yeah, that's not even calling it warm. Yeah, that's what you have to call it. It's warm. It's not hot. So very good. JEYI, good card. No issues. Only 10 minutes. Of course, if we're running all day, 4 hours may be a little warmer or even hot. I'm not sure. But if I'll keep you posted and let you know about my findings on this. So yeah, leave a comment below. Give me a like, subscribe if you think it's worth it. Yeah, if you need a card, an affordable card that's quick and easy to make, this is the procedure. Yeah. So again, I'd like to thank you for stopping by, and I hope that you are having a wonderful day.